welcome. What was that? Welcome. I'm really excited for today's video. I am doing a chit chat get ready with me for this halo look. I'm super happy with how it came out. I'm loving this look right now. I think this is my favorite look I've ever done. So I'm really excited. I haven't seen the full video yet because when I was filming it got cut off. And once I realized it way too late in the end. So I don't know how much got cut off. Either way, I will upload this video because I need to post something. I need to start getting back in my mojo. So let's go ahead and get right into the get ready with me. So I already did my brows. I should have done them since this is a get ready with me. But I already did them. Probably so used to it in my videos. Trying to get back in my main mojo. So I know on Instagram and on Snapchat I was saying that, well, mainly on Instagram, I said that I was going to do a look that had the most comments on my Instagram. But as I was getting ready for today, I wanted to go back to my blog, and I always say, makeup is not used to cover your beauty, it's used to enhance it. So that's what I'm gonna do for myself today. I'm gonna do an emerald and green halo today. I'm just using the Tarte Shape Tape Light Sand as the base. Changed my hair, which by the way, I don't know if you like it, don't matter because I freaking love it. The day after I came back from California because I went on a spontaneous trip to go see my brother, and I came back and I was like, I need a little something else. I knew I needed something else, and I was like, I'm gonna cut my hair. I just hated the length because it was so long. And I always thought to myself, why do I have this haircut when I had my long hair and all my layers? I was thinking to myself, why do I have this haircut if all I do is put my hair up? Had no babysitter, so I brought my two babies with me and I chopped off all my hair. At first, I was like, I don't know what to do. I just want to cut all of it off. I don't want to put it up anymore. And at first, she was suggesting to just do a blunt cut, which I've done before. And I was like, you know what? I really want to try something really different. So can we just do a bob? And she's like, whatever you want. So we did a bob, and I'm obsessed. Sorry, I had to grab my Dare to Create palette because that has really pretty greens in it. So I'm gonna use these greens today in the Dare to Create palette from Morphe, and we're gonna go from there. I'm trying to think of what other traumatic changes I've done. Can't think of really anything. We're gonna go in with this green. I'm gonna go in the lightest green in the palette on my biggest fluffy brush. This is a Morphe M504. I am no longer working, which is, I feel like that's another weight lifted off my chest because now I can focus on what I want to do because I really want to go back to school. I know that for months, there's a gnat in here. I'm trying to get out. I know that's something that I've wanted to do for months and months and months and months. Things have just held me back, and I am not gonna let anything hold me back anymore. So yeah, I know there's two things for sure that I want to do in life, and I can make myself out of something and, help my family out with whichever one I choose. Either one or the other. Both of them still, I want to own my own business. I just know that my life, beauty, makeup, people, that's all within my path. So I'm going to do that. I'm doing the M441 brush. I got these brushes from the actual Ulta. I'm taking a deeper green, or forest green I should say. Oh my gosh, maybe I'll just do this as a cut crease. I'm trying not to do, okay, nope. I'm gonna do a halo because I always do cut creases and I never do a halo, and I need to get out of my comfort zone. So I'm gonna work on my smile. I went to the dentist and they're like, Colina, wisdom teeth don't hurt you? Because they're all still in there. And I was like, oh, no, they don't. So I'm getting all of them removed when I come back from my vacation. And then after that, I'm gonna do Invisalign. I really like bringing up my transition shade up to my brow and smoking it all out because I have so much lid space. It drives me nuts. So to really go in depth with that, and play with it, I try to bring up my shadows a lot more. I'm trying to hurry because I have to pick on my babies. It's looking kind of messy and not blended. Patience is a virtue. A dream of mine would be to go to the masterclass by Mario. That would be a dream of mine. What y'all up to? What's the 411? Seriously, I love my hair. I love my hair. I can't get enough of it. Anyone else feel super naked without their earrings? Because I felt naked for a little bit. The Untamed color in the Subculture palette. I'm gonna use that as like my outer crown. Oh, yes. So keep in mind, I have not done my makeup in a couple weeks, which is why I haven't posted in a couple weeks. My skin's been breaking out. I like spot corrected before, obviously before I've like started filming this, because I am not yet comfortable in my skin. I've just come to like kind of a realization, even especially when I went to California. It was so weird. I went for just a night, but it felt like I was gone for a week because of the fact that everything that I was processing, I was really just going for like my peace of mind. It was just really nice, and I was able to process a lot. I felt like I processed a lot and went through it for a good week. I was like, no, I was only gone for a day. Like, how? The possibilities are endless, you guys. Just remember. So if you're unhappy with the job and you don't like it, act on it. Just do whatever needs to be done, because I don't know. I feel like a completely different person. I feel so good. Like I feel like myself, but I feel like a better self than I've ever been. Like I feel like I've already gone through this stage in my life. I don't know. I feel like I'm having deja vu with myself. I've already have gone through this before. So I'm gonna cut my crease with that shape tape. Okay, so let's see how this halo goes. I'm gonna look up. I'm gonna look straight to see where the transfer is. I'm trying not to get too close, because I tend to do that. I get too close and you guys can't see what I'm doing. I'm really glad you guys can't see my mouth, because I'm like this. You know when you like take a picture and you're holding your breath? That's me right now. I'm gonna pat it down. Okay, now what I like to do before, whether I'm cutting my crease or my halo, because I don't want to do the other eye. I want to like finish this eye now. I want to go in with that really pretty emerald. I'm going to take the Morphe M124 brush. It's a really good flat brush. I used to wet it, but since the concealer's still kind of wet from me just placing it on, I'm not letting it dry too quick. I am just going to pat it on. Can you guys see? Hold on, we ain't done yet. Now I did that, I'm going to go back to my Subculture palette in Axis, and I'm going to buff this out on the outer corner. Come on, Axis. I feel like a savage wearing a white shirt and doing this look. Looks like there's a tornado on my eye. Do you guys see that? Oh my gosh, did you guys watch Glam Masters? It's on Lifetime. I've watched it since the very first episode. And on Wednesdays, I would stay up and make sure that I watched it, even though it was like super late at night for me. It was freaking amazing. I can't wait, because now this show's gonna blow up. Now that the whole prize was to collab with Kim K, now the show's gonna blow up, and I can't wait for that, because the concept of the fact that there's a show that it literally covers makeup artists, and that's freaking amazing. I know we have all these cooking shows. I know we all love food, but can we focus on something else? I love food too, but it's like makeup's just awesome. This halo's already like off. Messed up my crease on this eye, but it's okay. I tend to do that. I tend to bring up my crease higher in this eye. I don't know why my hand just like freaks out when it goes over to my left eye. I'm gonna touch it up really quick. Wanted to say that that's why I've been gone. I have been working on myself, and yeah, now that I'm not working, I still need to find a job, because I need to make money. I need to provide for my kids. So I need to provide for my future and their future. But in the meantime of working and everything, I am wanting to go to school. I have in the past, from either my website or Facebook, gotten questions like, Colina, how do you do it? How do you balance working, your kids, and your makeup? Like, when do you have time to do makeup? And I've kind of like gone over this before, but I still kind of get some questions, and I just reiterate, you know, nap times are best. That's why I highly recommend doing, putting if you do have 2 kids or more, oh my gosh, bless you if you have more. Oh, this is why you put your hair up. My halos are off, but I still love the concept. It's still so freaking cool. Yada, yada, yada. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I got it. So I used to like wipe all this off with makeup remover, but then I started thinking about it and I was like, I'm gonna use, this concealer is so full coverage and so thick that I can just use this to wipe away whatever I don't want in life. Not life, but you know. Oh my gosh, so I have like this lip routine now. My favorite lip products right now. I'm obsessed. Okay, see, I just use the side that I buffed the concealer out of. Boom! Look how pretty! I'm gonna sharpen. My brush just broke. Dang it, that's a really good pencil brush. Oh wait, girl, I got this one. Don't stress. Don't stress about small stuff. So anyone that wants to babysit my kids so I can film, sign up sheets in the comments below. Okay, so I don't know when my phone shut off or why it did. I'm pretty sure it's because I got a call or something really lame. But, oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start. Well, I don't know what told me. Like, my gut just told me, like, Kalina, you haven't even checked your phone. Are you even still filming? I never checked. I was just like going with the flow. I was so into it today. I was like, heck yeah, get ready with me. I'm back, beesies. And then I look and I'm like, wow, my phone's off. I really want to get back into filming, but I don't have a Mac. So this has so far been my favorite part of my makeup routine. Normally outline it with this dark brown, I think it's called Urban Cafe. Urban Cafe by NYX. And I overdraw my bottom line a little bit just because I won't make my lips look plump. I then grab my favorite Nudie Patootie liquid lip from Wet n Wild. Boom. Then, I know it seems to look a lot, but for me it feels like nothing. I love it. Then I top it with Kylie Jenner's Literally lip gloss. I'm obsessed with this color. My line's like super messy. Hold up. This is my get ready with me. I don't know how much you saw. I don't know how much. Okay, I'll just go ahead and spray my face. Let's see if we're still filming. Okay, so that was the get ready with me. I'm sorry if a lot got cut off. I don't know when my camera got shut off. I'll be able to see once I start editing. I'm probably gonna have to edit my phone, so bear with me on time frame. I'm gonna post but other than that, I really appreciate and staying with me. I know it's been 4 months, like 4 months. And there's the tag. Okay. I know it's been 4 months, but I'm back. I really want to do more. I know in my heart, I know I need to do more videos, so I'm gonna make an effort to schedule things. Because for me, that helps me personally a lot, is to schedule things and plan things out like that. So I'm gonna do that. Other than that, like I said, I really appreciate you being here. Thank you so much. Thank you. Diehard supporters. Like, I don't have a lot, but I know there's some of you out there, and I can't wait for me to grow as I am now, just finally becoming myself and who I need to be. That's what I'm planning on doing moving forward. I want to be a role model for my 2 sons, and I want to show them that there is no limitations to them whatsoever, and that they can love themselves infinitely. And I'm gonna show them that by being the role model, and I cannot wait for that, and I can't wait for you guys to see that in myself. And hopefully maybe that's something in the future that I talk about further, but for right now, that's what I've been working on. And in the meantime, have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.